guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Today I'm going to make mangoes ice cream dessert. Okay, you know we have mangoes and they're from my backyard. You can juice, you can eat. It's mango season. You can do anything what you want to do with mangoes. Okay, I'm going to dice them in cubes. Already my mango, and I'm going to put ice cream in. And you can use any flavor ice cream. Okay. I'm going to top it off with a little strong whipped cream. Guys, I need you to try it now. For real, try it. It's very nice. Ozzy, come and try this.
It is awesome.
Very nice. Very nice.
It's smooth and nice.
Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up.